Apple MacBook Air 13-inch latest model. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Unlike other product reviews, I feel a compulsion to write this, in absolute admiration of a remarkable piece of human workmanship. Typing on the keyboard is such a pleasurable feeling. The hard click and stop, and the shorter key travel compared to the older Mac Air paradoxically feels just great. Hooverphonic playing on its finely perforated speaker bands on either side of the keyboard is sounding more alluring than ever before. The massive touchpad is butter smooth and supremely responsive. I enabled click to select in the setting. I was torn between buying a MacBook Pro and the new Air. I finally decided on a slightly lesser powered computer which will last longer on a single charge and is marginally lighter. Also, the Mac Pro has a more blocky design which does not taper at the wrist level and you will be able to discern its hard edge at the wrist, perhaps. The Touch ID security chip-enabled power button is only there in the highest version of the MacBook Pro along with the Touch Bar, and the latter has mixed reviews. If you know touch typing, you are unlikely to look at the keyboard and Touch Bar. Plus, the MacBook Pro with Touch Bar is quite a bit expensive and I realize that I will not find benefits from the excess cash burned other than the eye candy effect of the Touch Bar. But, the blockiness, the excess 100 grams, and the 2 fewer hours of battery juice are something that I will fail every day. I opted for the 256 GB variant since I maxed out quite early on the older, 128 GB Mac Air. The Touch ID button is quite useful and you do not have to enter the password again and again. The Retina screen is brilliant in the Air, and unless you are a professional graphics artist you will not find any difference between the screens of the Air and the Pro. The color accuracy is supposed to be better in the Pro. I decided to go with the MacBook Air instead of the Pro because I only need it for internet browsing, word processing, PowerPoints, and other projects for work. I had grown accustomed to Windows, so I was very hesitant at first. Before the MacBook I had 2 Dell, 2 HP, and 2 Asus laptops in a span of 10 years. It seemed after 2 years something seriously wrong would happen to my laptop. The motherboard failed on my last Asus laptop after 2 years. The OS on the MacBook is very easy to learn and adapt to. The MacBook is fast and solid. Syncs with my iPhone flawlessly. Everyone I know that has a MacBook has said that they keep going after 5 to 10 years. I am very happy with my purchase and should have made it years ago. I received this item and was in perfect brand new condition, and I like how it had a 5 monthly payment installment plan, which was even more helpful because I was able to afford this. I haven't been happier for this new MacBook Air 2019. Portable, fast, most beautiful, good battery backup. Great build quality. Touch ID is very useful. Great display. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.